Hello everybody, this is Nikki Golly with Fuel Your Body, coming to you today to talk about where your food is coming from and to talk about this little plum. So I'll move it back here so you can actually see it, because I know you can't see me because she's got lights on. So this plum I got from a food rescue a week ago. It was yellow when I got it. It actually has some color to it now. It's got some, like, normal plums are this bright, beautiful purple color. So this is a lemon plum, so it's a little bit different. But I got one before, and it was, I let it sit on the counter for about 2.5 weeks before we ate it, because it was so far from ripe. The grocery store had already thrown it away because there's a little blemish, like this one. There's a little blemish on the side of it. But there's essentially nothing wrong with it. But it makes me think, where is your food coming from? Do you know? Do you ever look at the little stickers and see where the country of origin is? This one is Chile. So I looked up Chile right before this video, and it is 5,575 miles from Colorado. Over 5,500 miles this little fruit traveled. Do you think that it's actually going to have the nutrition that it's supposed to have if it's picked ripe? If it's picked, say, one of these greens picked off the Tower Garden actually has the nutrition, especially fruit, but the nutrition is in the last days before it's actually ripe. So if this was traveled 5,500 miles before it got to me, how many vitamins and minerals do you think are actually in it that are supposed to be in it? So that takes me to my beautiful Tower Garden. I have people that ask me a lot, quite often, about how much food, or is the Tower Garden, one Tower Garden, providing a full, like, an abundance of food for both Michael and I? And the answer is no. I still buy fruits and vegetables because I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. I am definitely offsetting the amount that I buy with what I'm growing, and it's giving me a lot more confidence and knowing that I'm getting something right from its source. I know exactly what's on it. I know what goes into it. I also know if there's any issues with it. I know that there's no pesticides on it because I would have to spray them on myself. So there's a lot of different things in having your hand in growing something yourself. So yes and no. I absolutely love it. I love it, and I will keep growing. I'll probably get more Tower Gardens so I can actually offset even more of my diet. But where is your food coming from? Is it coming from Chile, Mexico, Canada, California? California, which is running out of water, by the way. But if you have a Tower Garden, you actually are growing a little bit more food that you can eat. And it's easy because it's automated. That's the thing I love about it, is if you've seen this journey over the last 3 months, that I don't really do much to the Tower Garden, and it provides me food, so it's great. But now that it's been 3 months, it's time for a little bit of spring cleaning. There's a few things that haven't grown so well. I've got like a cabbage down here that it's just not getting enough light. I'm choking it out with other things. Sometimes it happens. It's an experiment. And then there's a few other things that I'm going to kind of clean, like this spinach. If anyone knows when spinach makes seeds, is there a male or a female plant? Or please comment below if you know anything about spinach, because I'm still learning. It's currently just in this, like, making dust all over the floor phase. I'm not sure if it has to pass that to make seeds or if I just should pull it and get rid of it. So there's a couple of things. And one up here, if you see in the top corner, I have a sunflower. There's a sunflower up there. So it was one of our sunflower sprouts that we didn't eat when it was a sunflower sprout. So we propped it up. It looks quite a little janky, which is kind of fun, but it's propped up by some of the broccoli leaves on the other side, so it can stand up. And it's a beautiful little yellow sunflower, so another flower. So along with my I keep wanting to call it nasturtium, but I get the name of this beautiful little flower, but I love the little splash of color. Plus, it keeps pests away, which is a bonus. So I am going to clean this up, redistribute. So the next video, you'll see a few different things. I'm going to clean some things up and take some stuff out and replant it so I can get another 3 months before I move the tower outside. So that is going to be the next plan, and hope you have an amazing day. Where's your food coming from? Can you grow anything yourself? Grow it in a pot, maybe on the windowsill, depending on where you're at in the country, or get one of these amazing machines that I've got here, because I can teach you how to grow. Well, I'm still learning. I can't grow everything, not gonna lie. Still taking applications from people that are very good gardeners to help me. But again, this is Nikki Golly with Feel Your Body. Pay attention to your food and where it comes from and how much nutrition is actually in it and when was it picked. It's a big question. All right? But have an amazing day and food for thought. Happy Thirsty Thursday.